Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Visa gift cards. First, understand that these cards are a convenient way to manage spending or give a thoughtful present. They function like a debit card, but without linking to a bank account. You simply load a specific amount of money onto the card, making it a secure and widely accepted payment method for almost any purchase, whether you are shopping online or in a physical store. Finding a Visa gift card is quite easy. You can typically find them at most major grocery stores, pharmacies, and large retail chains. Just look for the gift card displays, often located near the checkout aisles or in a dedicated section. Many online retailers and even some financial institutions also offer them for purchase, providing a convenient option if you prefer to shop from home. Once you have your card, remember that most Visa gift cards require activation before use. The instructions are usually printed on the card's packaging or a sticker. It is also important to be aware of any purchase fees. These fees typically range from about $3 to $6, depending on the card's value and where you buy it. Always check the terms before completing your purchase. Using your Visa gift card is straightforward. For in-store purchases, simply swipe or insert the card and select credit if prompted. When shopping online, enter the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code found on the back. It is a good practice to keep track of your balance, as transactions exceeding the available funds will be declined. Enjoy your purchases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.